Hello guys, welcome to the chapter, Growing Your Facebook Group. In this lesson, we're going to talk about tips to grow your group. Let's get started. When Facebook notices that your Facebook group is having an active and engaging community, it will start recommending your Facebook group to your potential audiences. Doing the right activities that can contribute to having an engaging group will allow your group to continue growing. First, keep an engaging group. Facebook wants its users to be active and engaging with the other users inside the platform. You must make it a goal to keep a higher engagement in your Facebook group so that Facebook will notice your group and recommend it to the other Facebook users as well. Facebook users who are viewing the same niche as your group will be able to discover your group, increasing your audience reach without shelling out money. You can do it for free and organically. To keep your group active, you must make a list of questions that can make your members engage in the comment section of your post. Engaging questions will allow your post to continue increasing the number of users who comments on your question and share their opinion. This will keep an engaging conversation between the members of the community. Questions like asking for people's opinions, asking for support in making a decision, or an easy optional question is good to use as engaging questions. Another way to increase engagement so that Facebook will continue recommending your group to more people is to make sure to keep an engaging topic alive. When you notice the post that you share continues to have more likes, shares, or comments, you have to take care of that post and keep it alive. What you can do is you can like every comment on that post, but make sure not to like all comments at the same time. Take a few minutes before liking the other comments on that post. And the same applies to responding to comments. You don't have to respond to all comments all at once. Space out the time to like and reply to every comment on the post. Next, you can tag members who are actively engaging on your Facebook group. If you have thousands of members, you can see who the most active members are inside your group. You can only view the Facebook group insights once your group has more than 250 members. Take note or make a list of those active group members. Once in a while, you can tag them on your posts. Facebook will notice this activity and recommend your group to more people on Facebook. When you tag people who are active in your group, they will discover your post when you tag them, and they will help increase the engagement on your post. As a result, Facebook will notice the increase in engagement, and it will continue to recommend your Facebook group to other Facebook users. Next, you can also reference old posts from your group. Facebook doesn't want its users to leave the platform. If you share old posts, you are sharing valuable content without redirecting your group members outside Facebook. Facebook prefers it more compared to sharing links outside Facebook. You can grow your Facebook as your posts generate more engagement with more likes, comments, or shares. The more people consistently engage on your Facebook group, the more Facebook will show and recommend your Facebook group to more people with the same interests. It can help your Facebook to grow organically. Now that you know about the tips to grow your group, we can now proceed to the next topic, inviting your new subscribers to join your group. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.